Thanks for this Duo Award.
Outstanding leader from the SAARC countries. CEO Awards 2017.
तरक्की सिर्फ एक रास्ता नहीं, विकास सिर्फ एक नाम नहीं है, ताकत सिर्फ एक जज्बात नहीं है, और कोशिश सिर्फ एक बात नहीं है। देश के सबसे सफल सीईओ की पहचान सीईओ अवार्ड्स 2017 का मुंबई में आयोजन हुआ।
CEO Awards 2017.
इस मंच से उन लोगों को सम्मानित किया गया जिन्होंने व्यवसाय, सामुदायिक विकास और राष्ट्र निर्माण के साथ ही एक प्रेरणादायक जीवन शैली का नेतृत्व किया।
Mr. Harsh Mariwala, please do join us on stage for the first of our awards.
First of all, focus. You have to be focused in whatever you're doing. And when I say focus, I say make the right choices and reject the wrong choices. And not wrong, but good choices also sometimes you have to reject in order to arrive at a focus, which is your high priority items. So whether it's the business you're pursuing, or the role you're performing, or the hobbies you're pursuing, or whatever you're doing at home, I think you have to make some limited choices, because I strongly believe that focus leads to depth and depth leads to excellence. And you don't want to be jack of all trades, you want to be master of some. I think the second thing I want to say is about people. And again, this is relevant not only in business sense, but in whatever you're doing. I think you have to work with people who are strong, who are better than you.
Also invite Mr. Shamul Mukherjee, who's Seaman himself, to come and receive the award of the Champion of Tomorrow. Please, ma'am, the lovely, the delightful Miss Chanda Kochar to talk about our next award winner. We are so delighted to have you here, ma'am.
Thank you and good evening. And yes, I heard everything about ICICI, Hari, as you were saying, because the name ICICI rings a bell wherever I am. So while I was there, I heard it. Thank you. And it's a real pleasure and a privilege to be here today when, we are honoring one of the finest business leaders that India could have ever had, the visionary, the legendary Mr. N. Vagul.
But please welcome Mr. Narayan Vagul on stage with a little bit of extra pressure on him to tell a joke and talk about Bollywood. And also joining us on stage, the chairman of the CEO Awards jury, Mr. Subodh Bhargav, and Anjali Bansal to also join us and join Ms. Kochar to give the award away, Mr. Narayan Vagul.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I'm not a chieftain of corporates any longer. Thank you very much for this award, and I accept it with a lot of humility.
One more award, and I've had to blur this slightly because we have a very well-known Indian athlete in the photograph, and I've even managed to sneak in a picture of him at the gym. So I'm going to drag him by his hands and feet and come on here. Please welcome Mr. Milind Soman.
Thank you. Thank you, Gautam. Corporate world, his journey has been no less spectacular. He joined as an intern, but today heads one of the most powerful business houses in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, to me, he's not just a great runner or a powerful CEO. He's an inspirational and fit human being. Please welcome the one and the only N. Chandrasekharan.
I'd like to invite Mr. Sanjeev Mehta, the outstanding CEO of 2016, and Mr. Harish Kohli, MD and President of Acer, to also come up. Can we please have Ashok Jhunjhunwala, sir? When we have the two professors together on stage, please, can we have you in the center? Sir, would you like to do the honors with the award? And then we'd like to hear from your fellow professor. Floods in Gujarat, and the very fact that she works very closely with a lot of underprivileged people for the Seva Bank in Gujarat. She was in Ahmedabad and she had her ticket booked and everything, and literally this afternoon, because of rain and because of floods, she had to regret, but she still managed to send us a video. So can we please have this video for one of our award winners for today, Jayashree Vyas.
I am grateful for this nomination and thankful to respected jury and CEO India for giving me this award. I am really very happy about it. I am receiving this award on behalf of 2 million poor self-employed women who have struggled a lot for being self-reliant.
Can we please have Mr. Pawan Goenka up here? And I'd also invite Banmali Agarwal, jury of the CEO Awards, to come and do the honors with the actual award. Outstanding leader from the SAARC countries for the CEO Awards 2017. And that one again. CEO Awards 2017.
CEO अवार्ड 2017 का मकसद उन हस्तियों को सम्मानित करना है जिनकी नेतृत्व प्रतिभा के सभी कायल हैं। अलग अलग कैटेगरी से सजे इस कार्यक्रम में दुनिया भर के सफल सीईओज की पहचान की गई। सम्मानित हुए बिजनेस लीडर्स ने अपने अपने क्षेत्र में बेहतर नतीजे देने के साथ एक अलग जीवन शैली का नेतृत्व किया।
Ma'am, what do you have to say about CEO Awards? How is it different from other corporate award functions?
I think it was a very interesting function. The whole way in which it was presented. The fact that you had an introducer who spoke something personal about the award winner, and even the awardees actually did not give a speech, but actually spoke some nice things. So I think it was done in a very interesting manner.
And 3 essential qualities which you think a CEO must have, to succeed in life.
I think leadership is very person dependent. But if I just talk of Mr. Vagul instead of in general, one is he's been a great visionary. He's always kept ICICI ready for the next change, so to say, and transformed it. The second quality I would say is that he's really built institutions. Whether it was the credit rating agency in India or the asset reconstruction company or, so on. So I think he's been an institution builder. And the third is he's really brought that ethos of meritocracy and gender neutrality, which ICICI is known for. So he really nurtured that ethos in ICICI. Thank you.
So many thanks for talking to Zee Business and Beyond. I'll begin with asking you about the event first. So what makes CEO Awards different from other award functions?
Well, let me first say that this is the first time I'm attending one of these awards, the CEO Award, CEO Lounge Award. And I'm very impressed with the unique way in which this award function is being held, where the awardee is being introduced by somebody that is very close to the person, and done in a very humorous, casual manner, which is not typically what happens in an award function where everybody is very stiff and trying to say all the nice things. So I like the format very much. Second, it's very clear that these awards are not just being given for what you do at work, but what you are as a person overall. How you make difference in people's life, okay? How you are changing the way things work. So that also is very unique, which I don't see in many awards. So I think it's quite different, quite unique.
So at the CEO Awards, I'm here with Mr. Shiv Kumar, Chairman of PepsiCo, and let me first begin by asking you about the award function, sir. What do you have to say about this award function, CEO Awards, and how is it different from other award functions that you have attended so far?
First of all, I would like to congratulate Deepak and the CEO Lounge team. I think these are a fantastic set of awards, about 10 to 11 of them. They are selected by CEOs for CEOs, and I think that's very unique. And the jury is a fantastic jury led by Mr. Bhargav. This is my first time. I've never been to these awards before, but it was very enjoyable listening to each and every one of the awardees.
Must have been a tedious job to, figure out whom all to select and how to decide. So what was the process like, if you can explain us?
So actually not tedious, but tough, because we had such an amazing set of options to choose from, and I think it's actually quite energizing to see what's happening in corporate India, where you have a number of incredible leaders who are not just inspiring in terms of the business outcomes, but also the personal impact that they create in the communities and the people around them. We took a fairly balanced approach as well, hence as we thought about the criteria for the awards, and I think PwC were great partners in validating some of this, but the jury really helped finalize what criteria and what categories. And we were thoughtful around saying it's not just, it has to be about business results, because it is CEO awards, right? So it has to be about business leadership. At the same time, it has to reflect who is the person, not just the company. So we really focused on the person, their life, their personal style, their passions, and what makes them a holistic individual and inspiring as a leader, not just a corporate manager.
हमारे साथ ट्रांसकॉम बिजनेस ग्रुप के चेयरमैन मिस्टर लतीफ़ुर रहमान हैं। सर, सबसे पहले तो आपको कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी इस अवार्ड के लिए जो आपको CEO इंडिया की तरफ से दिया गया है। आपसे ये जानना चाहेंगे कि कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप इस अवार्ड को पाकर?
Well, I'm greatly honored, and particularly because this is the first time that the award is being given outside India. And as I mentioned inside in the acceptance, that it's appropriate to that Bangladesh is included, as SAARC countries will come in future. And for Bangladesh and India, it's a symbiotic relationship. We are neighbors. We need to grow together.
तो मेरे साथ हैं यहाँ पे मिस्टर हरी मेनन, जो कि CEO हैं बिग बास्केट के। सर, बहुत शुक्रिया जी बिजनेस से बात करने के लिए। सबसे पहले आपको कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहेंगे कि आपको इस अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया है। कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप इस अवार्ड को पाकर, और कितनी मेहनत लगी है?
Well, it's been a very difficult journey. ये जो कैटेगरी हम जो बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, it's a very difficult category. It's got perishables, fruits and vegetables, so it's taking a lot of effort. We started in 2011, and globally actually there hasn't been a company that's actually built a full-fledged grocery business. So it's been a nice, difficult, enjoyable journey.
सर, आपसे CEO अवार्ड फंक्शन के बारे में भी पूछेंगे। तो CEO इंडिया अवार्ड्स के लिए आप जूरी मेंबर थे, कितना डिफ़िकल्ट था सिलेक्शन करना? जो आपने विनर्स हैं उनको कैसे चुना? इस पूरे प्रोसेस में कितना वक्त लगा, और कितना कह सकते हैं कि आपने क्या क्या किया इस प्रोसेस को सक्सेस बनाने के लिए?
इसमें काफ़ी काम लगा, काफ़ी काम करना पड़ा। पहले तो जो स्ट्रैटेजी एंड है, जो PwC की स्ट्रैटेजी आउटफिट जो है, उन्होंने बेसिक वर्क किया था। And the good bit about the jury is we had wonderful jury members. There was a lot of deliberation, and most of the awards we came to a very clear consensus, and you would have seen today they were very worthy winners. So I'm delighted that I was part of the jury. and we are very glad that we picked up worthy winners. और जो ये CEO awards हैं, they are very holistic. They not only look at from a perspective of the performance of CEOs, but also you look at it from the perspective of their lifestyle. What do they do beyond work? And that's what makes a difference.
Congratulations आपको जो अवार्ड मिला है उसके लिए सर. काफ़ी मेहनत लगती है, काफ़ी विजन चाहिए होता है एक सक्सेसफुल CEO बनने के लिए. आपको किन क्वालिटीज़ ने एक्चुअली यहाँ तक का सक्सेस दिखाया?
मैंने कभी ये सोचा ही नहीं. मैं तो अपना काम कर रहा था कि सब साथी मेरे साथ में हों, हम अच्छा काम करें. मुझे कभी नहीं मालूम था ऐसा अवार्ड होता भी है. आज मुझे मिला.
I think the journey from the year 1 to the year 4 has been really memorable, really magical, I must say so. And we've evolved year on year. And the jury has played an exceptional role, and I don't like them called to be a jury because they were much more than that. They were real mentors to this entire program. They added real magic to the entire show. But I must say that thanks to the audience, everybody supported, and their presence made it really wonderful and big.